Today I'm going to be going over how to change the license plate light bulb on the back of this Passat. This is a 2013 Passat. This is going to be the same for 2012 up to 2015. That's this generation of Passat. And the light we're going to be doing is this one under here. What you need for this repair is a flathead screwdriver, a light bulb, I'll have a link in the description for this, and gloves if you're going to be touching the bulb, which, yes, you are going to be touching the bulb. We're right here, here's the license plate, here's the logo, so you're oriented. A screwdriver goes into here, and this clip is really quick. So I'll show you what I mean. Boom. You don't need to push hard, you just need to gently work your way under. Once you hit this, it springs out pretty quickly. So don't use a ton of force, go very gently and very gradually in with this. When you hit this, it pops right out. So here's our bulb here. If you want, you can disconnect it, but I would recommend taping these wires, because if that falls in there, then that's a whole nother can of worms. So to disconnect this there's a little switch on here. There's a little switch right here on the top. As you can see, you press that and pull this out. You could do this with one hand. I just want to show you this piece moving here. But when I get this out, there we go. Took some finagling. I'm also not putting a ton of pressure on the wires. I'm holding it here, but I'm also pushing with this, and there's this. And then I would tape this up to here so you don't lose this inside. Now, I have this taped here, so that's good and sturdy. You don't have to take this off, but if you want, you can. The next thing is getting this bulb out. Also, taking it off does make sure that there's no power running through here. So now, as we touch this with a screwdriver, it won't come out. And the way you get this bulb out is pushing it out from the back, like so. Very gently with a screwdriver. Boom, there it goes. Now I've got the new bulb here. This guy slips into here and you press firm. And I also put gloves on when you do this. If you get grease or oil on this bulb, it will break much quicker. Also, if you are putting an LED bulb in, you can actually put the bulb in reverse. This doesn't matter because either way the power flows through it and you can flip it either way. But if this is LED, then you can put it in the wrong way and it won't work. Now we're going to take this off. Boom, make sure that doesn't fall inside. Then this guy clips into, oh, almost put it in backwards. Don't do that, guys. There we go. And then when you go to put this in, this side goes first. That little clip fits in there. And then you press that in and we're done. This light was dead, now it's on. I've got the warning off of my dash finally after several months, and we're good to go. If this is helpful, please hit that thumbs up, let me know, share a comment if this was helpful, and we'll see you next time.